This is the Appalachian Drifter 2 from CIVIVI. Many have admired the Appalachian Drifter from CIVIVI, and now, with the request and interest, the Appalachian Drifter 2 is upgraded from a traditional slip joint design to a locking blade. The Appalachian Drifter 2 has a sturdy liner lock while keeping that modern, traditional aesthetic. The blade is 2.96 inches long and is made of Nitro-v stainless steel. The clip point blade is perfect for daily cutting like letter opening, opening packages, or cutting up an apple on your lunch break. The handle is made of purple G10 and carbon fiber bolsters. The upgraded stainless steel liner lock mechanism is strong and it has a nail nick opener and is jimped for front flipping as well. Get yourself a classy knife that can handle tough jobs and hard work. You can pick up the Appalachian Drifter 2 at the link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment below and let me know what you think of the Appalachian Drifter 2. You can follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our newsletter down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you in the next one.